Alright, what's going on, guys? So, we you see the shirt that going on here. Alright, so this video we have a real special thing we got going on today. I'm just going to do an unboxing video for you guys and let you guys see what we got going on. And yeah, man, we're about to make some noise out here in these streets. So yeah, come on, let's see what we got here. Let's check this out. All right, so we got the box here. I pre-opened it, pre-cut it, just so that way it'll be a little easier for me to open it up here. Let's see what we got here, guys. What do we have in there? What do we have in there, guys? Y'all see that? Yes, sir. We have the LSA blower. Yes, we are not playing. We are going to be head hunting out here in these streets. Anybody who's riding around and wants some action, well, we're going to give you the smoke. We're going to give you all the smoke. Because I'm telling you, I want the smoke. I want all the smoke. Let's see what we got in here. We have the upgraded heat exchanger. All right. And also to top that off, as you can see, I put up some lights. Man, I like these little lights. They're pretty neat. Trying to get the garage situated. So yeah, you got to bear with me, but got the 8 in here cleaned up. Yeah, man, so that's pretty much what it is. We're gonna be installing this thing soon. I'm waiting on a few more things to come. Fuel rails, injectors, some of the little minor stuff, but for the most part we got the supercharger, man. And like I said, I'm excited. So I'm excited, man, and I can't wait to finally have everything done and for the car to be running like I really want it to. Let me actually, I got one more thing too. We got one more thing that we're gonna open up over here to see what we got. Kid in a candy. It's like a kid at Christmas time. When adults get the parts heads, get the unboxed stuff, and open up parts that they get. It's probably one of the happiest moments we get as an adult. Opening up doing this stuff, and we know it's going to put on our cars. So, as you can see, we have the Z01 lid. Alright, so, and it's got the reinforced brick on it. Yeah, so this brick is supposed to be, it's reinforced, so, yeah, man, like I said, you guys make sure you like, subscribe to the channel, because this channel is going to grow. I'm pumping out more content. There's going to be a ton more races. I'm going to try to do more track events for you guys. Get the car out, doing some things. Because the goal is I want to be able to run a 9, which I know I have a lot of have a lot of I have a lot more work still to do to get to the 9, but with the LSA installed, I'm hoping for above 600 wheel. So if I can get that, we're just throwing the blower on here with the mods that I already have, then I'll be cool. I mean, if I can get a little more than that, that's awesome too. So like I said, I need you guys to make sure that you're liking the videos, you're subscribing to the channel, and also you need to be following our Instagram channel also. Because sometimes I upload videos on my Instagram that don't really get to make it to, they don't get to make it to the YouTube channel right away. So the videos make it, but it's just sometimes you get the content there a lot quicker than you get it on YouTube. But yeah, man. So hey, I'm ready. I'm happy. If I could throw these on right now, I would spend the day throwing them on for you guys and getting the car ready. But yeah, man, this car is about to be a beast. So and also, if you guys have a G8, or even if you don't have a G8, I'm gonna put y'all up on some game. So, man, I got some sticky tires. I bought some tires that are pretty sticky, man, and I'm gonna put you guys up on game. So, and there's some little street tires, man. They so if y'all can see, all right. So, and then they're the Esta PS91. So I don't know if you can see. I got the light on it. So PS91s. These things, bro, are sticky. They have a 160 tread wear. Let's see if you can. I don't know if I can see it. 260 tread wear. All right, so yeah, man. These tires are sticky. I had a friend. He wanted to race me. He has a what is that? That's a Mini Cooper. It's just like tuned. Got a little bit of stuff done to it, but yeah, he wanted to race and just see, he really called me out, to be honest with you, but yeah, he was like, he could beat me. So I was like, all right, that's my boy, so I was like, all right, we can run him. Just see, because he used to have a G8, and then he got rid of the G8, and he got a Mini Cooper. So yeah, he wanted to run, and so normally, the tires that I used to have, just regular, all-season run flats. I think it was like, what was it, Michelin's all flats, run flats, or something like that. But anyway, so whenever I would run low rolls, maybe like a 20 or 30 or 40, I couldn't really run out of the first gear because I'd be spinning. But with these tires, I was able to run, we ran like a 25 and no spin. I just hooked and I was out of there, and I was like, man. So these tires, they're not that much. I think I got, for 2 brand new tires, I think I paid, what was it? It was under $400 for 2 brand new tires, and you can't beat that. If you really want the information for the tires, what you guys could do is drop a comment down below, hit me up on my IG, and then I'll give you the site where I actually got the tires from. That'll actually save you a little bit of money too. So at the end of this video, I'm gonna leave you guys a little special video that I recorded a couple days ago. So like I said, this is why I tell you guys, you need to follow the channel, you need to subscribe, and you need to follow the IG, you know what I'm saying? Because what I'm about to post is what normally, what makes it on IG first before I make content to put it over here. But it's, like I said, the content is gonna end up making it over here. It's just, sometimes it's quicker to edit a video real fast and throw it on IG than to spend, 15, 20, 30 minutes trying to edit a video, get it right before it can make it to YouTube. So yeah, guys, I just hope you guys like, man, and you guys gonna be around for the long road of this journey, and we're gonna be taking some names and handing out some gaps, handing out some L's, yeah, we're gonna probably take some L's too, but you know, that's understandable. You can't always be the fastest guy around, but you know, hey, we're gonna be faster than we was. So that's the main goal. If you can become faster and you're not staying the same, then you're making progress. And that's what I'm about. I'm about making progress. I want to just make sure the car is gonna, get to the potential that I eventually want it to be at. So, like I said, we have the lid, the ZL1 lid. We got the supercharger. We got the upgraded heat exchanger. I'm going to be also going with the FI inner chiller. I'm gonna put an inner chiller on this, so that way I don't have to worry about the heat soaking issues and robbing my power and all of that stuff. So yeah, man, like I said, this car is gonna be a fun car. So like I said, once again, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, follow the IG. And I'm gonna leave everything down below for the IG, so you guys know exactly where to go. And also, if you don't know where to go, it's also right here on the window. So that's the IG, YouTube channel. All right. So, and yeah, so I'm gonna see you guys on the next video, man. I hope y'all like this one, man. And I'm out.